Today in the livestock market, we're seeing a little bit of pressure all the way across the board. In the live cattle market, it was down hard. There's been some profit taking, and that is definitely starting to heat up. And so it looks like some of the traders are starting to let things go. The cash trade has been slow, and beef prices are really kind of strong, but it seems that the tech support is very soft. So we're going to watch for the end of the week. And is this really it? Is this mean that the market is really starting to turn? As soon as we start to get through some of these moving average numbers, I think that it will tell the tale, because feeders also fell even further. I think traders say that the top is in. And if that's the case, look out, we do have a long way to go. There is some nervous traders are ready to sell even more and really aggressively get out there and put some pressure on the futures. Now, that being said, the market just doesn't move completely the other way. But we've been experiencing a lot of upside move, and it's been like a well-oiled machine on this rally that we've had over the last number of months. And maybe the mood really is changing. That moving average breach, if we get through that, we do have a long way to go. And there's nothing normal in these days, so anything can really happen. So we have to be very, very careful. But it certainly looks like the tide is turning just a bit. Now, the hogs did firm up today, and I think the cautious traders did want to buy the bounce because the market really fell yesterday. Interestingly enough, in the hog market, after this big rally, the fall yesterday broke through a very significant support level on the 18-day moving average. So with that, we got to watch out. That is this a big correction? Does that mean that correction goes all the way back to 84? That could very well happen. That doesn't mean that we're completely moving into a bear market, because there's still a lot to be said about what's happening in the African swine fever and the needs of pork in China. So we have to watch it. And a little bit of that overflow selling from cattle is also adding to some of the pressure in that hog market, though. Even though there's been more China purchases coming up, there is no deal in sight. So all those things kind of, add some negativity. And when the nervousness starts, it starts to build momentum. That's why you're seeing the pressure all the way across the board. It'll be interesting to see how each day pans out for the next 2 days of the week. I think Friday will give us a little bit more of an idea on which direction we're going to start to go for the next couple of weeks.